AI is revolutionizing the field of accounting by enhancing the detection and prevention of fraud. Through the use of machine learning algorithms, data analytics, and pattern recognition, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time to identify anomalies and irregular transactions that may indicate fraudulent activity. AI-driven fraud detection tools can automatically flag unusual patterns and sudden shifts in financial behavior. These systems continuously learn from historical data to improve their accuracy over time, reducing false positives and enhancing the efficiency of internal audits. By automating routine monitoring tasks and enabling predictive analysis, it not only improves the speed and accuracy of fraud detection but also helps accountants focus on strategic decision-making and compliance. As a result, organizations are better equipped to safeguard assets, financial integrity, and maintain stakeholder trust.
Through machine learning, pattern recognition, and data analytics, AI tools can analyze large volumes of financial data, spot irregularities, and flag suspicious transactions in real time. Below are key ways AI detects fraud in accounting systems. 1. Anomaly detection. AI algorithms are trained to recognize normal patterns in financial data. Any deviations from these patterns, such as unusual transaction amounts, frequencies, or vendors, are flagged for further investigation. 2. Predictive analytics. By using historical data, AI systems can predict expected behavior and identify anomalies that may suggest fraud. Predictive models are updated continuously to adapt to new data. 3. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP can scan emails, contracts, and communications for red flags such as coercive language or conflicting information that may signal collusion or intent to defraud. 4. Continuous monitoring. AI enables real-time monitoring of transactions, providing alerts instantly rather than relying on periodic audits. This leads to faster detection and response. 5. Risk scoring. AI systems assign risk scores to transactions or entities based on predefined criteria. High-risk scores trigger reviews or automatic controls. 6. Integration with ERP and accounting software. AI tools integrate with enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems and accounting software like SAP, Oracle, or QuickBooks to analyze data across systems and detect inconsistencies. Conclusion. AI is a powerful ally in the fight against fraud. By harnessing intelligent automation, organizations can enhance their internal controls, reduce financial loss, and maintain trust with stakeholders.